In this video, you will be introduced to the Linux CLI or the command line interface using basic terminal commands. If you're wondering why one would use the CLI over a graphical user interface, do check out the link present in the description below. You can use the Ctrl plus Alt plus T shortcut to open the terminal. By default, you are in the home directory of the logged in user. You will see the name of the logged in user followed by the host name. In my case, the username is Arun Iyer and the hostname is exoblrt156. Dollar means you are logged in as a regular user, whereas the hash symbol means you are logged in as root. Unless you are performing administrative tasks or working inside root directories, never work as root, as it will change the permissions of all directories and files you have worked on, making root the user of those directories and their content. Let's start by using some basic navigation commands. You can list all the directories and files present inside the current directory by using the ls command. ls-a to list also the hidden directories. ls-lh to list all the files with their file sizes. If you want to list directories and files for a certain path, then you can use the ls followed by the path of the directory. Now let's see how you can create a file and a directory using the CLI. Let's create a directory called DC here. To do this, we are going to use a command called the mkdir, which stands for make directory. mkdir followed by the directory name, which in this case is DC. Now when you do an ls, it will list all the directories including the one that we just created. You can make parent directories using the -p parameter. I'm going to create a parent directory called Marvel and a subdirectory called Ironman. mkdir -p /home/Arun/Marvel/Ironman. ls will reveal that the parent directory is created successfully. To create a new file, you can use the touch command followed by the file name that you want to give. Let's create a file called hulk.txt. So we would say touch space hulk.txt. When I type ls, you can see that the file called hulk.txt has been created. Let's now see how to navigate inside these directories that we have just created. To change the current directory, you can use the cd change directory command followed by the directory you want to move into from your current position. Our current position is home. Let's navigate into the Marvel folder that we had created. cd Marvel. As you can see, we are now in the Marvel directory. When we do an ls here, we can see the Ironman folder that we had also created. Let's type cd again and type just iron and press tab. As you can see, it auto-completed the word for us based on the directories present inside. Sometimes you might forget which directory you are currently in. You can use the pwd command and it will give you the present working directory with its path. No matter which directory you are in, typing just cd will take you to the home directory. To delete a file, use the rm command followed by the file name. As you can see, the file hulk.txt is deleted there. To delete directories, you use rm -r followed by the name of the directory. So, if you want to delete the directory DC, we use rm -r dc. As you can see, we have successfully deleted the directory DC. However, if you want to delete all the content of a directory without deleting the directory itself, use the star wildcard at the end. Let's say I want to delete all the contents of the Ironman directory. I would say rm the path of Ironman /star. If you want to delete all the contents of the folder including the subdirectories and files, then you would need the rf option to delete the subdirectories. rm -rf the path of the Ironman folder /star. To recap, we have learned how to list the contents of the current working directory, how to create and delete a file, create and delete a directory, and also how to navigate into directories using the cd command. In the next video, we'll look at file operations like opening and editing a file using the CLI itself. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more on point videos just like this one.